right, it's probably going to make me jump. Let's see. I just changed the ground, so let's see. Yep, that's loud. All right. Wow, that worked. Okay. All right, okay. We're going to spray some of this spray adhesive. A lot on it. Woo, okay. It got on my leg. It's in my leg hairs. It's in my leg hairs now. 1.6 gallons. So yeah, I mean, I did about 3/4 of a tank. So let's see what the gas gauge says now. Look at that. I'm half a tank more full than full. I can drive to the moon with this. Unlimited mileage. All right, let's see if we can fix that. Oh, it's pretty good. Ow, that's hot. Crap out of my finger. I gotta go put ice on that.